Justin, it's the sheriff's office. Come out with your hands up.
Justin, come out here. Throw a coke can. You throw a coke can?
Yes. Justin, it's the sheriff's office. Come out now with your hands up. We know you're in there.
We still have not had a visual on anyone yet.
Justin, come out now. He's talking back. Hey, there he goes. He's squirreled in the back. We can take this room right here.
Justin, it's the sheriff's office. Come out.
He's down that hallway right there.
Close the back door. I'll let the women out of here. We can go about our business.
Okay, you're gonna come out now with your hands up. Yes, you are. Let me see your hands. Justin, let me see your hands. He's going out back door. Hey, let me see your fight. He's got a knife. Justin. Hey, get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Justin, get on the ground or you're gonna get hit again.
Get down.
I'm gonna scoot over. No, don't put you. Justin, hey, Justin, do not.
Get down.
Justin.
Get down.
Justin, get on the ground.
We're at the back door.
You're about to get tased.
Lay down! Now! Lay down! Lay the f down on your stomach. You'll get tased. Keep your hands where we hands down. We're putting them behind you. Put your hands out in front of you. Hey guys, just hold them. We got it.
I got lethal.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stand up. Thank you.